Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Notion and export LinkedIn recruiting databases, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Notion, begin by closing the application completely. For Windows users, access the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Once in the control panel, click on Programs and then Programs and Features. Locate Notion in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Notion and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For Mac users, go to the Applications folder in Finder. Drag the Notion application to the trash. Right-click on the trash and select Empty Trash to remove Notion completely. Now, let's move on to exporting your LinkedIn recruiting databases. Log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the My Networks section from the main menu. On the left-hand side, select Connections. Once in the Connections area, look for the Manage Synced and Imported Contacts option. Click on Export Contacts located at the bottom of the page. You will be redirected to the LinkedIn Data Privacy section. Select Get a copy of your data. In the options presented, choose Connections and click on Request Archive. LinkedIn. You will receive an email notification once your data is ready. Click the link in the email to download your Connections file. The file will be in CSV format, which can be opened in spreadsheet software. This is how you can effectively uninstall Notion and export your LinkedIn recruiting databases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.